Step on peanuts once, can't eat them all, bury the middle soil, yields abound. Here's a yield-boosting method used by large-scale peanut growers for over a decade. Follow these 2 steps to increase your peanut production significantly. Be sure to like and save this video now so you can find it when you need it. Firstly, after peanuts finish flowering, lay them all down flat on the ground, cover them with soil, and press down gently on the stems to ensure they make good contact with the soil, promoting more root growth. Secondly, mix 20 milliliters of vinegar, 20 grams of table salt, and 20 grams of brown sugar in 30 pounds of water. Spray this mixture onto the peanut leaves after they emerge from the soil. It helps promote more flowering and pod formation, ensuring plump seeds and reducing empty, thereby significantly increasing peanut yields. Apply this spray every 10 days, 2 to 3 times. Got it all down? Follow me for more agricultural tips shared daily.